Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can install a Facebook custom or standard conversion on a WordPress website, and I will show you how you can install a Facebook pixel on your website. So in this video we will do all the things step by step. First of all, we will verify the domain name with Facebook, and after that we will install the Facebook pixel, and then we will install the custom or standard conversion on our website. Okay, for this all process we have to paste some code to our website. For this purpose, let's install the plugin in our WordPress website. Okay, go to plugin section and click on add new plugin. Here we have to add the post injection plugin. Okay, here is the plugin head, footer and post injection. Okay, then click on activate it. Okay, now go to business.facebook.com to install the Facebook pixel and domain verification. First of all, we will verify our domain name with Facebook Business Manager. Okay, for this go to brand safety and click on domain. Okay, here we have to add a new domain. Okay, click on create a domain and paste it. Okay, make sure that remove the SSL or any HTTPS. Okay, make sure your domain format should be like that. Okay, click on add. Okay, right now this is unverified. We need to verify it. Here are some method to verify the domain name, but I will choose the add meta tag to our website header section. First of all, we need to copy this code, and we will go to our WordPress website, click on setting, and this plugin that we have installed, we will paste this code in header section. Okay, you can paste in both mobile and desktop feed. Okay, click on save and go to business manager, and the step 2 is paste the code in header section that we have done, and now we will open our website from there and go back and click on verify domain. Okay, boom, our domain name is verified with Facebook. Okay, now we have to install a Facebook pixel on our website. For that purpose, click on data source and click on dataset. Okay, if you will go to pixel section, you can find that the Facebook pixel changed to dataset section. Okay, and this is just the name different. Okay, click on add and let's create a dataset here. I mean pixel here. I named it as on my brand name, and let's create a pixel. Okay, we have created the pixel, and now it's time to verify with our website. Okay, click on three dot and click on open event manager. Okay, here you can click on setup metapixel, and we have to install the code manually, so click on install code manually and copy this code from there and paste it in our website header section. Let me check here where we have to paste this code. We need to paste this code to our website header section. Let me paste here and here. Okay, click on save and go to event manager and click on continue and turn on advanced matching. Okay, click on go to pixel overview. Okay, now we have to verify that our pixel is installed on our website or not. Okay, go to your website, and here you can see there is no pixel installed on our website. Let me refresh this page. Okay, now you can see that here we have a pixel that is installed on our website. The pixel ID is 1706, and it's also started with the 1706. It's mean that we have successfully installed the pixel on our website. Okay, step number 3 is that we have to install some standard conversions like add to cart and purchase, and also a checkout page, this type of conversion. Okay, for that purpose click on setting, and then click on open event setup tool and paste the URL of the website. Let me copy from there and paste it here. Okay, click on add events. Okay, here is the pop-up. We have to add all the event manually. Okay, let me open any product. Okay, this is the URL. When someone open any URL, any product, this URL will be a must appear. Okay, let me copy this URL and click on track a URL and paste the URL contain, and paste the URL add that will end on product. Okay, when someone open any product, this URL will appear. Okay, let me select the event as content. Okay, here we will select don't include any value and click on confirm. Okay, now we have to add a conversion of checkout page. Okay, let me click on add to cart and click on view cart. Okay, first of all let's add the for cart page and click on track a URL, and here click on contain, and here we will select the add to cart. Okay, here we can also choose a value from there, because this is the total value of our cart, and we also can select this value that is appearing on the top, but we will choose this because we have to add this on mobile and desktop in on both. Okay, here we can choose the currency. Okay, let me click on confirm. Okay, now we have to add a event of checkout page. Okay, click on track a URL and select it contain, and select the initiate checkout, and here you can also select the value. Okay, click on currency and select your currency. Okay, click on confirm. Okay, now we have to add a standard conversion of purchase. When someone purchase any product, this URL will be appear. Okay, let me copy this URL and click on track a URL and select the content, and I will paste this URL. Okay, let me select the purchase event and choose the value. Okay, we also can choose the value of at initiate checkout. Okay, but I think we have to choose this value. Okay, we can choose the initiate checkout value. Okay, the currency should be PKR. Okay, let me confirm. Okay, now click on finish. Okay, we have installed all these standard conversion. Okay, click on finish. Okay, this was the whole process. If you have any question, please left in comments.